But strong. Go crazy. Average Telugu woman.
Give me the citizenship.
Oh my god. She never did that in her life.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
It must be so painful.
We're on the way to milk the cows now. Proper country style. Getting up in the morning, 5:30, and then milking the cows.
Look at the houses. The pink, blue, all the colors.
Yeah.
This is a natural toothbrush.
Really?
So
Is another of your prank?
no.
It's true.
Name branch.
So the bitter taste.
Sterilizes my mouth.
Exactly.
Mm.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, bitter.
First, we are letting the calf take the milk from the cow. So that now it will be possible.
1 minute నేను పెడతా ఉండు.
Okay.
Oh, it's not empty.
చాలా బాగుంది.
Okay. Aye.
ఓకే?
Skills.
ఇలా వినాలా?
Okay, you want to try?
I'm too scared. What if a cow kicks me?
Nothing will happen.
Una samosa.
Do it first. ఏం అందులో కూసో సిట్.
Sit.
ఏమన్నా బాగా గట్టిగా.
Dos samosas.
Okay.
You show me.
Yeah, you lock it over here and then you squeeze it like this.
Okay.
Okay.
గట్టిగా.
Oh,
Yeah.
I know how to milk a cow now.
Wow, nice.
Okay. Thanks very much for teaching me. Yeah.
మళ్ళీ మా హౌస్ కి రండి టీ తాగేసి పోదురు కాఫీ చాయ్
Inviting you to her house to have tea.
Thank you.
He's the oldest man in this village. He's 90 years old.
Oh, wow.
Do you have any question for him?
Like, what was your main mean of transportation back then?
He's saying in a sarcastic way, like he went by walking.
Oh, okay.
Back in the days, there was no auto, scooters, nothing. Everyone was walking. He's saying that back in the days, for the slippers, you have to work 12 months hard.
Wow. What was the main source of information? Like, how did you learn about what was going on?
Yeah.
Was it like through newspapers or radio? Also ask how much about the outside world he knew back then.
ఊర్లో ఉన్నప్పుడే తెలుసా?
అంటే టపాలు పెట్లు ఉంటాయి.
He's saying that back in the days, there was no newspaper. There's no sense of information coming from outside the world, but there is postcard. If you put it in the box, after 3 days, the guy will come and take it. Then after some days, the other person might read it and he might send it back.
What was the furthest away that you've ever been from home?
మీరు ఎంత దూరం వెళ్ళారు?
చెన్నై ఇప్పుడు పోతా ఉన్నారు పిల్లకాయలు పుట్టిన పిల్లకాయలు పోతా ఉన్నారు.
So he's saying that he went to Bangalore, but only for 1 day.
So it's like 200 kilometers.
Yeah.
How was the village different when you were young in comparison to how it's now?
ఆ రకాలు కూడా అంతగా తెలియదు. అవి తింటే కూడా ఒక ఇడ్లీ కావాలంటే అరిగిపోతుంది.
His gut is used for simple food like rice and everything. When he eats something new, his gut does not accept it at all. So it's more like raw, authentic food. That's why he's living up to like 90 years. Ever since he was a kid, he used to do the same exact thing every single day. He does not have high blood pressure, no diabetes.
So that's his secret for longevity.
Yes.
So have a routine, live a
Yeah.
peaceful life,
Yeah.
eat simple food that's not too sour, not too spicy. Dhanyavada Balu.
So we have to catch the chicken. You go from the right side, I go from the left side.
Okay.
Quack, 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 quack.
I don't think that's gonna happen. Okay guys, now it's me. Step 1, rub the onion all over the pan
Yeah.
so that the relatives think, wow, this house smells great.
Oh, not bad.
Oh wow.
This is Saratam. My mom used to hit me with this.
Oh,
Say something aggressive in German.
ich streiche meinen Pfannkuchen mit einem Spachtel.
Ich mache
So now I'm folding it, guys. Look.
Okay.
Da-da-da-da. Give me the citizenship already, okay?
Aadhaar card. My grandma makes some really, really great coconut chutney. Like her timing of the peanuts burning and everything is like top notch.
Oh, she had a lot of time to practice, eh?
70 years, you can say. So yeah.
And now that I saw how it's done, I'm also realizing it's super, super healthy, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of probiotics because you ferment it overnight.
Yeah.
Which one are you gonna have first?
Peanut.
Okay.
Yeah. 3.
Mmm.
Sister, it's really good.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's really good.
Can you handle the spice pizza?
Yes, I'm surprised because I didn't expect it to be spicy, but I love spicy. Here in Andhra, the spice level is really, really strong. Here, it's way more spicy than everywhere else I've been so far.
Yeah. This is 10 out of 10. And exactly like how my grandma makes.
I think most people that I know in Germany, they would not be able to handle this. They would like be drinking milk now, eating yogurt, just trying to get rid of the spice.
Yeah. Yeah, this is like sweet for me.
Really?
How is the poop?
Great.
Now we are going to drink kaloo, iced apple wine.
Ooh, the only alcohol you drink.
Yes, I want you to drink because Germans have a very high tolerance level of alcohol,
Yeah,
right?
we love drinking.
Yeah.
Touch me, not leave.
తెచ్చి మూసుకునేసా ఇంకా కూడా అన్ని ఇంకా ఉండాయి ఆకులు తెచ్చి తెచ్చి చెయ్యి టేస్ట్ హీరోయిన్ లాగుండా
You know, Katrina Kaif.
కప్పాయి కాదు
She's saying that you look like a Malleshwari movie actress.
Ooh.
హీరోయిన్
Yeah, heroine.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Cute.
Telugu aunties are the best at gossiping.
Yeah, I can tell. Okay, this is tamarind leaf.
Yeah. Sour?
జగ్గు ఎంతో చేపడతాను మెల్లిగా పొరక
Mm. It's more strong. It burns and it's totally different. Yeah.
You like it?
Oh.
Or is it not your thing?
Guys, this is so unique taste. It's like burning my whole stomach.
That's what the kaloo is doing to you.
Yeah. If you're feeling like little bit drunk, no? Say ekindi.
Nako ekindi.
This is sides.
Mango pickle. Do you want to lick it off my hand?
Even lick it. How was it?
Sick.
It was in the middle of the nowhere.
Yeah, which is exactly what I wanted.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
అంటే నాకు ఇష్టం అనేది ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్పు ఆయమ్మక
She's saying that she really likes you.
Ah, thank you. I like you too.
నీ నవ్వు అంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో
Your smile,
యువర్ స్మైల్ యువర్ టీత్
your teeth, your smile, yeah, so beautiful.
Ah, thank you.
దిష్టి దిష్టి
She's making sure that you are well and happy.
నాకు పిల్లలే నా డాక్టర్ అనుకో డాక్టర్ అంటే పాప కదా
For her, you're like her daughter.
Aww.
Now that the rice is boiled, she put some ragi. Okay, now we have to mix it.
Okay.
Kuchalamma, kuchale.
వాట్ చిత్తూరు లాంగ్వేజ్
మీ పేరేంటి?
నా పేరా సావిత్రి
Heroine name.
Oh, nice.
She's teaching you. Hold it.
Uh-huh.
ఎడ్ పట్టుకో
Yeah, harder.
Oh. Wee.
Go crazy.
I never felt so weak in my life.
Yeah. Oh my god. ఇంత గట్టిగా ఉంది.
She's strong.
నా పేరు సావిత్రి
Now she's making it a ball. And one ball.
It's very hot. How do you touch this? Are you superwoman or something?
Average Telugu woman.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh my god, her hand is red. Are you okay?
Yeah. No, I'm very impressed.
Yeah.
She makes it look so easy.
Yeah.
It looks like she's just doing whatever, but when you try to copy it, you realize how difficult it is. It's hot, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, you're doing well.
Yeah, I got it. You have to like play like cricket.
You're pro now.
Yeah. Sangati.
Good work, Abhi. Now you can officially be an Indian housewife.
What? And with this, with Andhra chicken, it will be crazy.
Ooh, let's go.
It's like a festival.
Yes, it is a festival today. How to do this? Okay. Yay.
Nice.
Okay, guys, this is the first time I'm trying Sangati Koda Koda.
Kodi. Kodi.
Kodi Koda. Kodi Kura. Kodi Kura.
Good.
It's really, really good. Yeah.
I like it too. I like the spice. It's different.
Yeah. I love when it's like really, really spicy.
Guys, the chicken is so good. But thank you, sister.
Yeah, thanks so much again for having us.
Liz just asked me, how do I take a shower? I said, what do you mean? You just take it with a jug and pour it like this.
Yeah.
So she never did that in her life.
No.
Oh my
This is
god.
the show from us.
You never like.
No, I don't think so.
So you take a jug like this and you take scoop water and then one like this, one like this. So if it's cold now, what I would do is I would like do like this. This is the biggest cultural difference I have. Oh. She changed her dress. That's because she took a bath
Yes.
without the shower head. She literally went back 1,000 years.
Yeah. It's like time traveling. It's amazing.
She never tried munjalo.
I never tried Monjalo.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. This is how it looks, and this is how my finger goes in.
Yeah.
It's like.
Go more deep. Yeah, more deep. Yes.
See?
More deep.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah. It's like a caveman discovered how to eat a fruit. Was that nice?
It tastes like lychee, but less sweet.
We're in Chadra Festival final day and it's absolutely crazy.
Yes.
All these people over here, they will go for the blessing. So they will be hooking their bat on their skin itself. And they will be like kind of like flying like that. So yeah. Yeah. At one end of the rod there is Trishulam. And the other end of the rod there is lime or lemon. It's sacred to the Gangamma goddess. This whole hanging part, it must be so painful and they must be numb to the pain.
Why do they do that?
They're doing it for the Goddess Gangamma. And it's not only just 2 people or 3 people. It must be like so many people as you walk and you see.
Oh my god. Look at those. Wow. Wow. Who chooses to do that and who doesn't do it? Do you have to get selected or
No.
do you choose it yourself?
For your prayer or your wish to come true. And that's why they do this type of sacrifice. So you see behind, right?
Yeah.
They tie themselves to the car. So they pull the car with their whole body.
No way.
Yeah.
What?
Bro, favorite hero? Talapati Vijay. Yesterday I showed you the Pushpa dance, right?
Yeah.
He dressed up like that character. And he's doing like one of the dialogues. Yeah. How was the experience of the festival?
Very, very overwhelming.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably the biggest culture shock I've ever had. So like that's what I was looking for, you know? Like I wanted to have this proper culture shock where I'm thinking, where I live, heck am I?
Many people know the Pushpa 2 movie
Yeah.
of the dance and everything, but they don't know that the festival happens in Chittoor and Tirupati and why this festival happens. I hope you guys learned something new. Yeah, and also come to Chittoor and Tirupati and experience the culture.
Okay guys, we're back in Bangalore.
How was the experience of the everything?
It was the biggest culture shock I've had in my whole life, honestly. It was so exciting because that's exactly what I wanted. I mean, I told you this, right? I told you I want to have like a culture shock. I want to see like the crazy things of India, you know?
It was so beautiful.
Yeah, all the rituals they were doing there, and where we saw the authentic way of living, the people that still live super traditional with their farms and on the countryside.
How was the food?
The food was amazing, yeah. Especially the home cooked food. Shout out to Pallavi, she's an amazing chef. I didn't know that idlis can even taste like this.
Yeah.
Idlis were always, I thought it was nice, but it was whatever, right? But she made it at home.
Yeah.
She fermented her own rice and made her own dips. It was so good.
Come to Andhra again. I'll show you everything.
Yes.
Yeah, mind shock.
What?
Your mind will get shocked.
Even more?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.